Good morning to all. How are you, all of you? All are fine at home? Okay, well, in previous class we discussed about heat and air, how the air surround us, and what are the properties of air. That all those things we discussed. In this class, we are going to discuss about plants. Whenever you see the plants, what could you imagine in your mind? Yes, the plants are green in color, right? And also, whatever we are eating, fruits, vegetables, all those things, where we get from these? We all get from fruits and vegetables from the plants. Have you ever seen any fruit plants? Yes. So, all of us are eating fruits and vegetables. Eating or not? In summer, people used to eat that mangoes, fruits. So very yellowish mangoes. They used to eat that mangoes in summer season. So very nice to taste that one. So where we are getting these mangoes? From the plants. So where all of us, we are eating fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables we are eating now. Have you ever wondered where they come from? Yes, they all come from plants which we eat. All fruits and vegetables, no? They all come from plants. Where we are getting from these all those things? From plants only. You know, the animal world depends directly or indirectly on plants. How? So whatever we are eating the food now, how we are getting this food? From the plants only, no? Whatever we are eating rice, whatever we are eating pulse, whatever we are eating leaves, vegetables, all those things, where we are getting? We are getting from plants only. So but have you ever thought that what plants means how the plants make their food? Have you ever thought how they are preparing their food? Yes, let us know that. You know, plants prepare their own food, so that we are calling plants are producers. So why we are calling plants as a producers? Throughout the world, only plants are preparing their own food. Many organisms are living in this world, right? So birds are living, animals are living, humans are living, trees are living, small insects, microorganisms, all organisms are living in this world. But only one living things, they are producing food. So those are plants. So that we are calling plants are producers. Why we are calling plants are producers? Because they are preparing their own food and they are giving all organisms, they are feeding all organisms their food. Am I right? So that plants are called as a producers. They make their own food. What the plants will do? The plants make their own food and they can feed all organisms. So that we are calling plants are producers. You know, in these plants, suppose this is a plant, you think this is such a plant and it has a fruit. Some fruits are there. Have you ever seen plants? What have you observed while you are seeing that plants? What are the main parts have you seen in that plant? So most probably we can see that stem, leaves, and what can we see? We can see fruits, and vegetable plants means we could see vegetables too. In this plant, which part is important to that plant? You know, roots are most important role is playing in this plant. How? Whatever we are supplying the water, where we are supplying the water for that plant? Soil only, no? Yes. When we are supplying the soil, water. So plants are absorbing that water. How they are absorbing the water? With the help of roots. How the plants are absorbing their water? With the help of roots. After absorbing the water, they can drag and they can supply all the parts of a tree. So stem carrying that all minerals, nutrients and organic matter, whatever it needs, it all supplies throughout the body parts of plants. Which one? Stem helps to carry all the minerals and organic matter, nutrients, whatever it available in that soil, the stem carrying and supplying to all the body parts. Here which one is playing main role? That is roots. Roots are absorbing the water. With the help of stem they can supply throughout the body parts. After that, the green pigment. You know why the leaf have green in color? Have you ever seen in our locality red color leaves, yellow color leaves? No, we did not see red color and yellow color leaves. We could see only green color leaves. Why the plant has green leaf? Because the green leaves contain chlorophyll. What it contain? Chlorophyll. So whatever the green leaf have now, the green leaf contain chlorophyll. With the help of chlorophyll, the plant prepare their own food. Why can't stem, why can't roots, they can't prepare their own food? Why the leaf only preparing their food? Can you imagine why? Because the roots are absorbing the water, stem carrying this water to and supplying all the body parts, and in these leaves they contain chlorophyll. With the help of chlorophyll only the green plants prepare their own food. That's the reason leaves only preparing their own food, and they store their food like a sugar. How they are storing their food? They are storing like a sugar, that also we can call starch. That sugar also we can call starch. So the leaves are storing their food like flowers, like vegetables, like fruits, like that. So that body parts helps to prepare their own food. In next class we will discuss clearly how the leaf prepare their food, what parts located, how they can do respiration. These all we will discuss in a next class. Okay, thank you.